All right guys, so here it is. Let me put it in so you guys can see. So here it is guys. It's gonna look fine. I just gotta take this out and find a way to mount it basically. So let's take this out. So finally guys, after multiple try, look how nice this look guys, and it's gonna fit into here. So I gotta show you this. So this guys, there was a piece like that. This is from the other side, so I didn't show it to you. So it was like this. So I dremeled this piece, cut it out. All right, so now it's straight down. And after crazy customization over here, over there, over there, then I can seriously, oh, it's upside down again. I can put this guy in here and look at how nice this look guys. So freaking nice. Damn guy. Oh my goodness, that looks good. That looks really good. Okay guys, let me put a couple screws in here, and then I'll get back to you guys. Hold on, let me find the holes that works. Okay, I have at least one hole I know that I can use. Let me double check here. I'll show you guys. Let me put it on and I'll show you guys in a little bit. These two little point, 1 and 2, I gotta shave them off. Yeah, I shaved them off guys. Okay, now let's attach this. Make sure it's right side up. Okay, let's attach them. I'm just gonna make 2 different holes since it doesn't match. That's totally okay. So guys, I'm still trying to get this thing to sit properly flush the way I want. It's just taking a little longer because I have to keep customize stuff to make sure it fits properly. Okay, let's try this guy. So there you go guys, so far so good. So this is the existing hole. I use this guy. I'm gonna see if I can make another hole somewhere in here, just a small hole, something just to make sure it's gonna hold this guy up and it's not gonna move. It looks pretty good, I think, you know, but I just want to put another screw in here. There you go guys. Whoo, this took me so damn long. So I made a hole right here, you know, just to hold it together. I made another hole right there. I made sure there's no electronic behind it that's gonna mess it up. On this one, I was able to use the existing hole. This one is a hole that I made. So everything looks good. Let me put it in here so you guys can see. There you go, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nice, right guys? I think it looks really good. That looks super good. So now I'm a little cold. I'm gonna warm up the car for a little bit guys, and then we're gonna keep going and finish this thing up. All right guys, I think pretty much everything is connected. Let's connect the radio. Let's connect everything for the radio. This guy goes right here, and this guy goes right there, and this one goes right in here. Boom. Okay, this is for the camera. I didn't finish the camera yet. We'll finish it later on. Okay, let's connect the AC. Okay, antenna is connected. Okay guys, whew, there you go. Let's turn it on. Woo, guys, it looks good. Let's turn this guy off. Oh, did I not connect this guy? Oh yeah, I know. I did forget to connect something. So now let's go in there. I know exactly what I forgot to connect. So this cable right here, I disconnected it because I needed to work on that. Let's connect it back. Pop it back in here. All right, good, it's working. Put it back into this guy here. Let's go. Okay, there you go again. Let's reconnect everything again, guys. Guys, I see there's a second antenna. I don't think we're gonna be using it for now. I'm just gonna tape it so it doesn't cause like some kind of bad ground. All right, guys, another moment of truth again. Ooh, put that heat on. It is cold. Guys, let's play the radio. All right, guys, it's working, guys. Everything is working. AC, I'm just waiting for this to come up so we can start, you know, heating up the car. But yes. But oh, I gotta show you guys this too. Hold on, I got this, guys. Custom by CarStomIt. All right, guys, so I'm gonna play with the radio for a little bit longer, then I'm gonna start putting everything back together. Okay, guys, now that you see how beautiful this looks, we're gonna start putting everything back together. First thing we're gonna do, these little guys, they need to be taped here so we can pop the cable in there. So let me tape one of them back the way it was. All right, guys, now we can just pop this in here so the cable stay put. There you go. Looks good, right, guys? The next, guys, is the CD changer. It goes right up here. Here we go. There's 3 little screws that hold it in together. Okay, guys, so as you see, I put the amp back, so I'm just tightening everything back together. Let's put the glove box back. Okay. Connect the light. There we go. Okay. That module is in. Okay, now we can connect, we can put the glove box back to clips. Let's put these guys back again. Okay, let's close this. Alright, okay, guys, there's two bolts that hold the glove box together, the one on each side. So let me try to put them on now. Okay, tight. tight. Okay, glove box is done. Last, I'm gonna put this guy in here. So put the light bulb in this little area. Twist, find the little feet, and then clip it. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. I'm done for tonight. So we're gonna be coming back in a couple days. All right, guys. So now it's a couple days later. So it's time to install the GPS antenna. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna run it anywhere. We're gonna put it just right underneath here, right there. There's enough room over here where I know it's gonna stick properly. All right, I found a really nice spot. Clean it up a little bit, guys. All right, good. Now grab the GPS antenna. Take the little cover off of it. Okay, looks good. Now I'm gonna run the cable to go in the back there. Let me take out the radio a little bit. I'm just routing the cable so I can make it come down to the middle there. Sorry. All right, guys, I think I routed it fairly well. So I don't know if you can see, guys, that is right here. So where my finger is pointing, that's the GPS antenna, and I routed it all the way this way. It comes down this way, and this is it. I'm gonna connect it right now. Okay, just tying the excess wire. Okay, now we can connect the GPS. Okay, GPS is connected. Okay, I gotta grab the mic. Okay, I'm trying to figure out where I want to put the mic, guys. I don't know yet. All right, guys, so now that this unit is good, GPS is working, we'll figure out somewhere for the mic to be installed. I have to finish the camera. I can't do the camera right now, it's raining, so I'll try and make it over the weekend.